So I am entering the Daiba Line, which is Route 11 of the Tokyo Metropolitan Highway System. It actually connects the Haneda Line, Route 1, which kind of came off of the C1 inner circle route. It connects to the Wangan, to the Route B. Wangan, and actually is beautiful. It crosses the Tokyo Rainbow Bridge. Ooh, look at this. Just came up on a very nice sky blue Bentley Continental GT. And now I'm crossing the Tokyo Rainbow Bridge. Too bad I can't really look left as I'm driving, but the views from the bridge are just stunning, especially on a sunny day like this. And I'm arriving at Daiba Island. So here we are, we're arriving at the Wangan, going right. Ooh, look at the 86 on the left, that was a nice one. Actually, it's going left towards Tatsumi parking area, and we're turning right towards Yokohama, towards Daikoku parking area. And actually, not to foreshadow anything, but that Bentley got off at Daikoku. I think I've seen him there before too. But there it is, and here is Odaiba. Actually on the right, although not very visible, is actually the Fuji Television building somewhere over here. It's just the sun glare is bad. Anyways guys, thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for next videos. Bye.